Hi, I'm Randy Reed. It's todayinlighting.com. Tuesday, 17 June. We're sponsored by MaxLight, energy efficient products for over 30 years. If you enjoy Today in Lighting, please hit the like button. Here are the stories making news. It's not too late to join the 2025 Lumen Gala tomorrow, 18 June in New York City. Celebrate lighting design excellence with IES NYC at Pier 60. Limited tickets remain, so reserve your spot now. More information and a link to the tickets is available at edisonreport.com. ERCO Oceania has announced the appointment of HI Lighting as its new channel partner for Western Australia. We link to the full announcement at designinglightingglobal.com. The LRC is offering 2 summer courses for lighting professionals, a 5-week online class on 3D printing starting 9 July, and a 2-day in-person photometry class in Troy, New York, 18-19 August. Registration is open and details at Edison Report. In a new Lighting Controls podcast episode, David Fox of ETC demystifies DMX 512, explaining its evolution and offering practical tips on wiring, troubleshooting, and its role in modern lighting, perfect for both newcomers and seasoned professionals. Superior Lighting completed a 740,000 LED retrofit for Millard North High School in Nebraska, replacing over 1,000 fixtures and adding in-light controls. The upgrade improves energy efficiency, lighting quality, and system-wide control, including a complex overhaul of the school's natatorium. Yesterday, the market had a surprisingly strong day, which is attributed to the Mideast conflict being somewhat contained. The Dow was up 317, NASDAQ gained 294, Legrand was up 1.9 euros. That's it. Go light up the world. Have a great day. Pray for peace.